Today we're going to do a little quick tutorial video. We're going to show you how to put one of our dash stickers on the dash. These new dash stickers, this is designed, I'm sitting in my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The dash on the Gladiator, the JT, and the Wrangler, the JL or the JLU, it's all the same. So if you have a dash that looks like this size sticker will work perfectly. What we're going to do, and we've already cleaned the dash, so make sure before you get started, take a soft rag and maybe a little bit of Windex or something, spray it down, and wipe it down real good, get any dirt, any dust, any of that stuff off there. So what we're going to do, we're going to position this sticker, and it's a super windy day here in New Walla, Oklahoma, so I'm actually sitting in the Jeep with the doors closed. I'm not using a tape measure. I'm going to do this all by feel and look and all that good stuff, and whenever it gets to where I think I want it, that's when we're going to put it. So you can see there's a brake line. Let me take this back off for a second. You can see there's a brake line on each part of the dash, the top and bottom right there. And this is a little bit larger. So what we want to try to do is get it as close to the bottom one as we can without really going over too much, and about the same on the top. So this looks pretty cool. And remember, tape. Don't be shy with the tape. When it comes to stickers and tape, stickers are expensive when you compare them to tape. Tape is cheap, so don't skimp on the tape. If you need a piece to do something, just do your thing. So what we're going to do, we've got that piece of masking tape on the top, and that's acting like a hinge on a door, and it's going to hold it in place while we pull the backing paper off. And keep in mind, when you've got a vinyl sticker, you have the transfer tape on the top. Some people like to call it mask or pre-mask. You have the vinyl sticker in the middle, and on the back you have your backing paper. And you can see when you order a sticker from somebody, if they say that they're using Oracle 651 for their vinyl, which they all should be, it'll say it right there. So if you get some vinyl in and it doesn't say anything on the back, it's not what they said it is. So you'll notice right here, some of this stuff, sometimes they just don't want to come up, and you have to kind of take your time. This one being a little bit, this can be considered pretty difficult by some people. I'm a big dude. I'm gorilla sized when it comes to dudes. Big old overgrown guy sitting in the passenger seat of this Jeep with the door closed. I've got my iPad holder. I've got the door over here, so it's kind of tight. But with the wind blowing like it is outside, I don't want to chance it. So now that all the backing paper is off, we're going to start gently bringing it down. And you'll notice I'm not even using a squeegee yet. I'm just going to gently get it started. And as long as we're laying it flat, it's going to end up being flat. If you go jerking it around, moving it around, it's going to not do what you want it to do. So now I've got the squeegee, now that we're over that little hump. Just gently putting it down. working our way out. Now you see this little crease right here? This is just in the transfer tape. There's no vinyl there. If there was vinyl there, there would be no issue with it. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just part of putting a sticker on our... This whole thing is rounded just a little bit, and then you have the top and the bottom that's the body line's kind of going over, you know. So it's nothing to stress about. And after you pull your pre-mask or your transfer tape, after you do that, you can go through and fine-tune every little thing. So let's see what we got. Let's pull this tape. Pull that tape first. This is gonna be cool. I'm really looking forward to seeing this on here. Bam! Now we got a nice mountainscape on our dash. Now, right, I don't know if this, I'm shooting this in 4K, and I generally don't shoot in 4K, but I really wanted to be able to zoom in and get the detail. So hopefully this is coming through on camera. There's a tiny bubble there, there's a little one right there, and then right there you can even see there's a little bit of a crease almost. So this sticker is not ruined by any means. That just happens. Sometimes when you're installing vinyl, that just happens. So this one right here, we're gonna take the safe side of our squeegee. A little bit on the hard side, and that one's gone. Same thing here. We're going to take the safe side. Now, if you don't have a squeegee that has the felt on it, you can just take a t-shirt or a terry cloth towel or something and just wrap it over the edge of your squeegee. Sometimes that soft side doesn't want to do it. And in the case of like this one, you can always take, if you have a razor or an X-Acto knife and you have a little bubble, you can just take that little X-Acto knife and just barely just poke it and create an air hole. That will let the bubble out, and guess what? You will never in a million years even see that there was one there. So now we're working this one out. And it just takes a little patience, a little bit of time. And there you have it. I've got one right there that I think I may go get my X-Acto knife. I didn't bring it out here with me. Have to go back into the shop and grab it. But there you go. Let me go grab that real quick. I'm going to pause the video for a second, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to just lightly get that little bubble out. Boom, that one's gone. And what'll happen is you'll notice you'll get rid of the air, the air bubble or the little issues. And then guess what? The vinyl, I don't know what the right word is to say. It's not going to self-heal, but the little minuscule hole that you poke to let the air out, it's gonna go away. You're never gonna see it in a million years. So that is what we like to call a new sticker. So thanks for watching this little tutorial, guys. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to email me. You can, just send me a message and I'll explain anything that you've got a question about. We offer these in all our standard colors. I'm going to be putting up a bunch of different designs. This is just the first one. Always liked it when I got this design ready to go. I thought, right off the bat, I thought that would look good on my dash. So that's why I did this one. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Check you later. Bye.